you open eyes, I'm supposed to take me notes of them.
You don't know the song you can call me because it's next media. Keep it locked.
Fucked up people. The kind of love, the kind of loyalty we show. Once people were around and all deserve it, now we know. Knowing ourselves a positivity we so long. Before you read all the trees them have to grow. And the down, where the rivers now flow. So now I'm gonna come and cry until you open up a door. Everything is just a matter of time. Every struggle is a matter of mine. So the only thing we need in my life. From I got it, everything will be fine. But I'm just a youth who's not too clean around fucked up people. I'm just a fool. I'm just a youth who's not too clean. Them only love what you can do for them no like you. They see a muckle, you a fight, me a fight them. Yes, I one little girl and them clown out. Your man a pussy or them weakness, no doubt. Sometimes them not gonna know your value until it's too late. But me not stop the good cause me too great. Just have to learn how to deal with two face. Take everything with a smile, me no screw face. Feed them and give them a knife and turn your back and still stab it. Show up when them no have it and show off when them have it. Remember the bad but the good them forgot it. Me know them don't decide them don't have it no. Me know have enough energy for you carry it. Tear guns and I go make them change my heart rate. No, I know them want with dead but of them trust. Me assume them not know what me really curious. I'm just a youth who's hard to clean and fucked up people. Only man who realize the last year I Joe. No hear me out, no hear me out. Please. No hear me out, no hear me out. And some I lose them ways out. Me not turn my back on this. I lose and you win. Portland if you know so you can. And them no smoke, them no sick and them no have no pink time. Burn it down. Play it man. Me yard me there you know. Me can't take off my shoes and keep on my socks and go to bed down. Cause if you blame life, you don't blame life, blame the way how you live it. God, I gotta never sleep and working, no make mistake. Cause if you blame life, you blame who give it. Don't blame life, blame the way how you live it. God, I gotta never sleep and working, no make mistake. And do no best for best. Come and say past better. Some of them trying to be perfect like a job letter. Believe in a timekeeper. One than a sweater when the hidden child is for the man. Like a alligator, if you know them now, no locks them trade. If you want to know your friend, pretend like it's dead. Dance your more things, them would have over your head. Well, why eat your flesh up like it is a loaf of bread? Never let them get you down in this game, stay ahead. Them spreading rumor like them think is a bed. Them someone's a pace, them are the less. Fire with fire, the whole of them are go dead. Yes, man, you blame life, you. I'm born in Portland. I'm going to spend most of my life on Corville, Garden Kings on 20. So down a jungle, and down a Dubai, and over Waterhouse. Port and Pone, you made them some here, say, tell them so we're proud of us. Dash! When Mr. and Mrs. Boss call me and say, Bugle, we need you in Portland. I say, I'll be there. You know what? Some people stop by you. Yeah. The devil is always gonna be around. Always! I have one question to ask. I'm going to ask one question. What have I done to you? What you want? I'm not a criminal. What have I done to you? What you want? Come on, my general, I want to go. How you want to treat me like? I'm not no criminal. What have I done to you? What you want to do to my general? No need that. Exercise every day, I'ma start getting hypocrites all look for me with extension clips. But as long as we have life, we not quit. This a real life, it's not a moving on us. them now go sing. The real party in a cemetery. For the prayer what them a pray not necessary. Yes, me got the judge and me know me a go sorry. Cause every day them a hope and I wish me see we perish. Cause the opposite of love is what them cherish. Them no one to see we on the terrace. Now go down we put in a resistance like berries. So what about? Are you on? I'm not criminal or whatever. Are you on a come? Come on, if you're not wrong or whatever. Oh, I'm on a different fire now. Okay, I'm on a different fire in a Portland now. Rasta and predictable, we no yam meat. We no yam pork and we no yam beef. Things that some man a do go tell them not do it. Cause the fastest thing them a go get is a read. Rasta no bleach and nowhere we no more. Woman a sell them body, Rasta no buy ore. Now see me park now we from back road. I swear me, rather no go put more. Baba Washanti say we love nice things. Big fat car with big nice rings. But me no know what some a do for such things. So me fire burn a boy where you wear nose ring. Stop. When me hear them ready, me usually do a alot. I take a bath and take it to another level. Inevitable, but miserable. I'm looking as I'm supposed to get my nose at them. Easy. If you know Bugle from 2007, show me so you know me. Come for the world life. Come for the girl life. When you see me and Darla and Mario over here. Now when you see me and my friends and roll out. Oh yeah, that's stuff alright. Where's that Marie? Where's Mrs. Boss? Come here. That one on the Rasta party. I'm gonna notice that beer flag, so we are Rasta shows the wearing us already.
In a
Rasta party, everything turns up loud, every Rasta way, so we do it. So we fresh like water, no grass, no green, like a big. Oh yeah, everything turns up, every bubble we say we are so we. So we, yeah, what thing on your bubble rock? What's that style there? Unmarried. I'm bubble rock. No. General, I want to see that one is so frisky. And it's so frisky. You're young. Pull up. General, you need to fall out and so. This kind of go on and you're not dancing the wife. Show them say you're a general boy. You know, you get the name. You put the name. Rasta party. Everybody turn up to the Rasta was it. Pull up. Play that again. Yeah. Rasta party. I'm in there, I go and build, I go and chill. And I take some roads above a hill. Cause Rasta no come to cheese and spicy. Rasta party. Everything turn up low. Every Rasta we see we say we get them proud. Fresh like water, no grass, no green. Oh yeah, everything turn up low. Every bubble we see we are saying. Because we fresh like water, no grass, no green. I'm better now. Them never know said a bubble you do for star. Fruit fun talk and a rest in the bar. Everything straight where you sit in the place car. We don't see you in a still of the yard. No men say scared to make them know. Some born and raised and some are going to rinse. Them are going like grass and a walk them. Jolly W drums sun up the sun down. Yeah, everything come up. Every rest that we say we make. Come and pressure down the water and the grass in the green like a prison. Yeah, everything come up. On a whole vibe.
The church in the day. The gospel I go on. Play now.
This man is so fake. Lie in front of my face.
Do you want what's best?
My new man is waiting at my gate. Baby, tell her don't fall in love when you need to the deal, but you don't that's why you want to be. I don't care zero if you want to see it.
Yo, pull up. When I see the kind of attitude of she when I know why she go on so I can't tell now. You want go easy but you want pretty girl. You just want shot but you are go lose. Me want burning that you want to. Baby me would have do it. That's right. But come in no say to no. You want hype up me. You want love. Yeah, man, would have done with you, but guess what? But come and no say to no help me. You want the star, but I'm an observer. Me want soul food. It no make sense to try me no compatible. And to all me see things we no compatible. This would no work out cause me selective. And we have different objectives. There's things to try, but you is so my driver. Now no adrenaline, me a fear fighter. Might educated, but you know, and your eyes on the eye, but mine. So baby me with her. Guess what? But come in on. Say to my enemy. You want hype up me, you want load up me. Yeah, me with her there with you. But come in on, say to no. You want me star, but come here observer. Me want soul food. You want burger. When we fall, we don't stay up on the ground, you know. We get up and we move from. I don't worry about them page. Me dance to them through my Ray-Ban. And we not worry about them round chase. And we not worry about. So but me worry about that. Now go over there. Level. I only have 2 more songs to sing, but I still have to take off this. There's a reason why I'm here. Level, lower than that. So you know what I say now? I'm going to do a song. And so the song what I'm about to do, I do it for my mother. This is June, the 9th of June 2022. I sit down in a UA hospital beside my mother and watch her take her last breath. Hold on her hand and it warm until it get cold. Give thanks. And you know what it do to me? It make me appreciate life more. It make me appreciate people more. It make me want to give more than I used to give. Because I want to grudge everybody who have a mother for another mother. Me wish me did have a mother like you. So you when I go home tonight if the mother not there, so we do now. Walk in our room and sneak a little kiss and say, love your mama. You see if she there foreign and you probably don't want to wake her up, send her a text message and say, love your mama. You see if tomorrow morning mama wake up and say her head hurt her, don't only make the tea, but go buy the fancy too. So if the ginger tea in a bust the gas, the fancy stop the pain. Don't make mama head hurt her not even for a second. But guess what I do? I start mourn my mother. I start celebrate my mother life. Because she do too much greatness for her for me, there, so I cry every day. You know what time teach me? Time tell me say it no fix nothing. Time only teach me to live with the pain. So now I can celebrate my mother, but if I think too hard about her, I go feel the same. So now I celebrate mama life. Anybody where they in here, son, will have somebody where you love and wish the day I saw with you. Everybody will have a mother where she's still alive. Or she pass more and you turn on your phone light. More you turn on your flashlight. More you turn on your lighter. More you wave your hand. Anything where you have where you can use to represent your loved one. Me love my mother endlessly. I wish the day I saw it with tonight a world of vibes. I have to big up Anne-Marie. I have to big up Darrell. Because guess what? Portland love you know. And I love Portland. I know that from heart. I still wait for the rest of light them to turn up. Because I know I'm not dead on the battery dead. And don't tell me so the Android phone them brighter than the iPhone. So turn them on at the people let me see. If you genuinely have somebody where you wish the day I saw with you tonight, more you represent mama. Don't worry about your mother, where's your birthday?